Hello, everyone. Um, I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Liliana Soler. I'm in 9 academic period of BA in foreign language with an emphasis on English program at the UNAD. I belong to the SEAD Hague. Currently, I live in Bogota. I am single and I don't have children, but I have 4 nephews and a niece. I live with my elderly mom. Uh, I take care of her. Also, I am a graphic designer. I work from my home in an advertising agency. Uh, I need to improve all my English skills, uh, specifically the listening and the speaking. Okay, in the course recognition, and this course is called English 7th, English Conversation. The course purpose is to reinforce several competencies with oral activities in real context and interact in synchronous way with tutors and peers. And this course has 4 outcomes um, related to the speaking skill and are expected to develop in 6 tasks. Also, we can to participate in real-time activities such as online conference sessions or web conference. To develop this course, we must commit to respect the rules and such as have a good attitude with classmates and tutors, participate in proposed activities, comply with the delivery of the activities on the established dates, and have the necessary technological requirements and a stable internet connection. Reflection up on English language awareness. According to an online English test that I took the last period, my English level, according with the CEFR, is B1 advanced. Okay, I've been learning English since 2016. I've done several English courses and tried to practice on my own. For example, watching movies, TV series without subtitles, and listening and translate songs, and participate in all of the university sessions, and so on. I chose to learning English as a foreign language because I want to become a very good English teacher. I'll be English teacher, and for this reason, I think I need improving all the time and practice this language for the rest of my life. Even when I ended my career, I need to continue my training in order to improve my skills. I go to uh, other country in which I have to use the English all the time with everybody. Also, for improve, I need to use all of my apps, my cell phone, my laptop, watch movies in their original language, and chatting with natives and so on. Okay, everybody, that's all. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.